Here's the promise: post one low-effort video and get 10 million views and never work again. Obviously, that is nonsense. If you are chasing dopamine by watching hype videos and don't want to get anything done, please go watch another video. But if you're serious about YouTube, I want to grow faster than I did. Listen to this. I started making videos 4 years ago, and I just wish I knew this before I started. I'm going to share with you 3 big insights that are going to help you grow your channel and give you the right mindset to do so. This video is particularly for solopreneurs who want to build their personal brand and use YouTube to get clients for their business. If we meet for the first time, I am Maru and I help solopreneurs to build meaningful and profitable channels. Okay, let's go. First insight: build momentum. Compare building YouTube channel to starting a new business. If you start from zero, would it be realistic to expect that you will earn 1 million in your first year? While it's possible, it's not probable for most people. Same applies to YouTube. Probably you won't get 1 million views on your first year. While filming this, I have about 160,000 views in total, and that's 4 years of work. It's not much, but it's honest work. My advice is to build momentum. That means you post videos at least once per week. My channel would be 10 times bigger if I followed this advice from the start. Whatever strategy you're thinking about, posting videos regularly has to be the first component. Otherwise, because you don't know which video will get more views. You don't know if the algorithm will decide to push one of your videos. You don't know many things when you start. But by uploading videos, you will gain momentum and learn insights by looking at your statistics that will prepare you to blow up when one of your videos hits a home run. Don't expect your first videos get millions of views. Just start, and it will happen when you're ready. Second insight: understand the nature of YouTube. YouTube is not a typical social media. It is the only platform where users type in what they want to watch. This means making your content has to be searchable, and creating searchable content has 2 factors. 1, topic size. 2, SEO opportunity. Topic size means looking at Google Trends or vidIQ to find out how much volume your topic has. For example, if we type in solopreneur, that is one of the modern buzzwords for being self-employed, we see a graph like this. Like this. The trend is going up, so this is a green flag for a good topic. Let's compare this to AI video editing. Now we can see that currently AI video editing has 3 times more search volume than a solopreneur in Google. That means if you're growing your channel and want to have a chance to triple your views, then it makes sense to make videos about AI video editing instead of being a solopreneur. Obviously, these are my topics. Simply replace them with the content topics you are interested in. But there's a caveat. Next, we need to look at the SEO opportunity. For that, I'm using the paid version of vidIQ to get a clear picture. Here in keywords, I'm first going to search for solopreneur. Now, what this metric tells me is that solopreneur topic has a lot of untapped potential. The total monthly search volume for YouTube is 64,000, and the competition is low. That means anything you post trying to rank for this keyword, you have a good chance of getting views, but it has a cap at 64,000. A good number would be getting 10% of those monthly views. And to be fair, if that video is connected to your offer, 6,000 views can be a life-changing number. That could mean that you get 12 clients even with a very basic sales funnel. Anyway, let's type in AI video editing. In vidIQ, we can see that the search volume is 100,000 views more than for a solopreneur, so the cap is higher, but the competition is much higher too. For this topic, you are competing with more videos. The takeaway is that you need to know the size of your audience and the opportunity you have for your topics. It's always about supply and demand. Action step: make videos so you find out what actually works. Third insight: don't think you know it all. It's easy to think that if you started a YouTube channel, you would know right away how to grow fast and become successful. I've made over 100 videos, and my growth has been slow. Not on purpose. I want to do the opposite too. Only now I'm reaching 1,000 subscribers, in total for my 2 channels on YouTube. And what I know now, I didn't know when I had 100 followers or 500 followers. It is an accumulation of experience and tacit knowledge that you only get from doing. But here's the silver lining. Before you get successful, get your first 1,000 subscribers or 1 million views, you have the best opportunity to develop your style, find your unique voice that resonates with your audience, and learn to communicate effectively on video. It takes practice. My old videos are cringe fest. And if I see this video two years from now, it's going to be cringe again. Embrace the cringe. By taking your time, you will be mentally ready for the growth that is guaranteed to come after you work on it hard enough and long enough. In that sense, slow growth is better than overnight success, because the other can mean speed blindness or overwhelm or burnout. Growing slow, experimenting, and learning will put you on a path for long-term success. I know from experience how difficult it is to just put your first video out there. Be patient and humble, but determined, and you will get there. For a solopreneur, starting a YouTube channel is building a personal brand and growing a business. They're all interlinked. Momentum, strategy, and continuous learning are key. Here's what you should take away from this video. Build momentum by posting weekly. Consistency is more important than early success. Then you will be ready when the algorithm boosts your content. Help people find your videos. YouTube is driven by search. Find topics and opportunities that give your videos a good chance to rank in the search. Focus on the continuous growth. Don't expect overnight success or think you'll have everything figured out from day one. Bide your time. And finally, if you don't enjoy it, why bother? Making videos, even if it's for work, should be fun. Find ways to make it. Spice it up and make it edgy to push the boundaries and stand out. Next, you can watch one of these videos to learn more.